Hey guys, my name is Tajay, Realtor here with TD Realty. Today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of this beautiful home. It's a luxurious 2-story home with 4 bedrooms and about around 3,755 square feet. Let's go inside. From the marble countertops to the stainless steel appliances, there's also a gas stove in here for those chefs out there. This kitchen will be perfect for you and your family. Upstairs is a second living area perfect for entertainment purposes, and right behind me you can cozy up for a movie night. I have access to so many more homes just like this out here in Texas, and it'll be a pleasure to start your new home journey with you. Again, my name is Tajay with TD Realty. Let's start a new journey together.